Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to take an in-depth look at the life cycle of the grasshopper. By the end of this video, you'll know how grasshoppers grow, survive, and help balance nature. Let's jump right in. Grasshoppers are fascinating insects found all over the world. They are known for their long back legs, which let them jump very far, and for the chirping sound they make. Grasshoppers come in many colors, mainly green and brown, which helps them blend into grass and plants. Let's look closer at their body parts, how they move, and why they are so good at hiding. Grasshoppers live in many places: fields, meadows, gardens, and forests. They like warm, grassy areas where they can find plenty of food. Let's talk about their favorite foods, their predators, and how they survive in different seasons. We'll also discuss how grasshoppers avoid danger and how their coloring helps them stay safe. The life of a grasshopper begins as an egg. In late summer or early autumn, female grasshoppers use a special body part called an ovipositor to lay eggs under the ground. She lays dozens or even hundreds of eggs, covering them with soil for protection. We'll look at how eggs survive the winter and what conditions are needed for them to hatch. In spring, when the weather gets warmer, the eggs hatch and tiny nymphs come out. Nymphs resemble small grasshoppers but don't have wings yet. They grow quickly, eating leaves and grasses. Nymphs shed their skin 5 or 6 times in a process called molting. Each time they molt, they grow larger and start looking more like adult grasshoppers. We'll watch a time lapse of nymphs growing and molting and discuss the challenges they face in this stage. After the last molt, the grasshopper becomes an adult. Now it has wings and can jump even farther. Adult grasshoppers are ready to mate and lay eggs. We'll explore how adult grasshoppers find mates, what they eat, and how they prepare for the next generation. We'll also see how adults interact with other insects and animals in their environment. Grasshoppers are important in nature. They are a food source for birds, reptiles, spiders, and even some mammals. Grasshoppers help break down plants, returning nutrients to the soil. However, when there are too many grasshoppers, they can become pests, damaging crops and causing problems for farmers. We'll talk about the balance grasshoppers maintain in nature and what happens when this balance is lost. Did you know that some grasshoppers can jump 20 times their own body length? Or that grasshoppers have been part of stories and myths in many cultures? We'll share interesting facts and clear up some common misunderstandings about grasshoppers. Not all grasshopper species are common. Some are endangered due to habitat loss and pollution. We'll discuss why protecting grasshoppers and their habitats is important and what you can do to help them survive. Let's quickly review what we've learned: the grasshopper's life cycle, their role in the ecosystem, and why they matter. Next time you see a grasshopper, remember all the amazing things you learned today. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more educational videos. See you next time.